how to log into PayPal on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into PayPal on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to log into the PayPal app on your iPad, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and launch the PayPal application here, and once you launch the PayPal app, you're going to see a tiny bit of interface that looks like this, where what you need to do is you can choose to sign up if you don't have an account, or you can choose to directly log in by tapping the login option. So all you have to do is make sure to enter the email address associated with your your PayPal account here, and once you make sure to enter the email address associated with your PayPal account, you can make sure to go ahead and then also enter your password here. Once you enter your password, if you're not sure what password you have typed in, you can tap the I button and then log into the account. Now just in case you happen to forget your password sometimes for some reason, you can just tap the forgot password option here in order to go on and then reset your password accordingly. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log into PayPal on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.